Right. Now I go to page number 4. Sorry, page number 5. Page number 5, margin marker. Page number 5, margin marker. Okay, page number 5, margin marker. Right, Lamai? Right. Right. Solve worksheet, tube number 1, page number 5, margin marker. Right, Lamai? When you calculating price of a product, okay, how to calculate price of a product? Cost plus profit equal to selling price. Okay, the normal method of calculating selling price of a product is to the cost we add profit and then we calculate selling price of the product. Okay, to the cost we add profit and then we calculate the selling price. Cost plus profit and then selling price. Okay, right. And then in some questions, examiner will give you in each and every exam in the first paper, examiner test this point. Even in the last time paper, examiner tested this point. Therefore, one of the critical point is margin markup. In each exam, examiner tests this point. In each exam. Okay, especially to provide answers in the first paper, we require this point, margin markup. Margin markup. Lamai, right. Right. Lamai, sometimes examiner may ask you to calculate selling price of a product by adding 20% to selling price. 20% to selling price. Here Lamai, cost plus profit. Okay. Cost plus profit equal to selling price. To selling price. Now in some questions, examiner asks you to calculate selling price by adding 20% to selling price. 20% to selling price. Or 20% on selling price. Examiner asks you to calculate selling price by adding 20% on selling price. Selling price on selling price. On selling price. On what? On selling price. Then on selling price, then selling price 100. On selling price, then selling price is 100. Okay, now here on selling price, then selling price is 100. Okay, selling price 100. Then here, if the selling price, if profit, if the profit percentage is 20%, then profit 20, cost 80. Profit 20, cost 80. Okay, profit 20, cost 80. Here, examiner asks you to calculate selling price by adding 20% on selling price. 20% on selling. Okay, I will teach you the difference. Right. Now, in some situations, examiner asks you to calculate. Selling price. Let's say selling price by adding, let's say 20%, 20% on cost. 20% on cost. Now here 20% on cost. On cost. On what? On cost. On cost. 20% on cost. Then on cost, then cost 100. Cost 100. Profit 20. Selling price 120. On what? On cost. Then profit 20, selling price 100. Okay, on what? My on cost. On cost. Therefore, my cost 100, profit 20, selling price 120. On selling price. Now, if it is on selling price 100. Here 10% on cost, then cost 100. Cost 100. Okay. One of the important point in your exam is margin mark. Even in the last time paper, examiner tested this point. Okay, right. Let's say now like this. Let's say today my health condition is not good. My health is what I can now let's say let's say like this. Let's say now let's say in a business organization, total sales. Now another name for this 20% on selling price. Now okay, another name is margin. Now another name for this on selling price is margin. 20% margin. 20% margin means 20% on selling. Okay, the margin. Okay, and then here like another name for 20% on cost. For the on cost, then another name is markup. Margin markup. Here 20% margin. 20% margin means 20% on selling. 20% markup means 20% on cost. 20% on cost. 20% on cost. Okay, 20% on. Right. Now let's say in a business organization, let's say total sales. Let's say total sales 12,000. Total sales 12,000. Okay, now let's say in a business organization, total sales 12,000. Total sales 12,000. Lakshmi, in accounting we discussed okay, two methods to calculate selling price of a business organization. Two methods. Okay, normal method of calculating selling price of a product is Lakshmi, cost plus profit equal to selling price. So the cost we add profit, and then we calculate selling price of the product. Selling price of the product. And then sometimes Lakshmi, examiner also calculate selling price. Okay, let's say here profit amount is 20%. Then examiner also calculate selling price based on 20% on selling price. On selling price. Here on selling price, then selling price 100, profit 20, cost 80. Okay, that is called margin. Yeah, on selling price. Another method is okay. Sometimes examiner also calculate okay selling price of the product by adding 20% on cost. 20% on cost. On cost. Then 20% on cost, then cost 100. On cost, then cost 100. Cost 100, profit 20, sell price 120. That is called markup. Markup. Okay, that is called markup. That is called markup. That is called markup. Okay, that's called markup. Now, let's say in a business organization, total sales 12,000. Total sales 12,000. Then unit is split. Unit is split. Unit is split. Cost of sales included in this sales and unit is split. Cost of sales and profit. Okay, cost of sales and profit. Cost of sales included in the sales and profit. Unit calculate. Unit is split. Unit is split. Then how to calculate? The one here total sales 12,000. Let's say this first method is this one first method, this one second method. Second method. Here let's say examiner asked to calculate cost of sale. Okay, business organization pricing policy is 20% margin, 20% on selling price, 20% on selling price, 20% on selling price. Then you need to calculate cost of sales included in this sale. How to calculate cost of sales? 12,000 divided by the total sales. We apply first method. First method to calculate selling price of the product. Then cost of sales included in the sale is how much? Now, this 12,000 you need to divide by. Okay, we apply first method. Okay, margin 20% margin. Here, this 12,000 is total sales. Then divide total sales by equal amount. Equal amount is okay in this selling price calculation. Selling price is 100. The examiner has given total sales 12,000. Total sales. Okay, total sales 12,000. Examiner, business organization had 20% on selling price to calculate selling price of the product. Okay, the pricing policy of the business is to adding 20% on selling price. 20% on selling. Then in the business organization, total sales 12,000. You need to find out cost of sales included in this 12,000. Then yes, sales 12,000. The sales divided by equal amount. Equal amount to the sale is 80, 20 or 100. Equal amount is 100. Then divide sales by 100. Always you need to divide by equal amount. Okay, given amount, you need to divide by equal amount. Then here you need to calculate cost of sale. To calculate cost of sales, multiplied by 80. To calculate cost of sales, multiplied by 80. Multiplied by 80. If you want to find out profit included in this 12,000 sales, okay, then also, okay, total sales of the business 12,000. Equal amount of the sale is out of these items 100. 100 is the equal amount to this 12,000. Then divide 12,000 by 100. Divide 12,000 by 100. And then if you want to calculate profit of the business organization, multiplied by 10. Multiplied by 10. Then what's the answer? What's the answer? Bhati is clear, Bhati. Clear. Dakshani, clear, Dakshani?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Manidu, clear, Manidu? Yes. Sitma, clear the Sitma. Abhishek, clear? Clear, right? Relevant here. This question. How much profit? Now here profit means gross profit. Here profit means gross profit. Here cost of sales. 12,000 divided by 100 into 80 means 9,600 cost of sales. Cost of sales 9,600. And then here gross profit how much? Gross profit. Gross profit 12,000 divided by 100 into 20. Gross profit calculation is 2,400. Okay, business organization calculate selling price by adding 20% on selling price. The price of the business is to adding 20% on selling price. 20% on selling price. Okay, let's say like this. Let's say let's say total sales in the business organization same amount. They use margin. And then here here business organization use markup. This is in a business organization total sales 12,000. Total is 12,000. Pricing policy of the business organization is to add 20% on cost. 20% on cost. Okay, right? Cost 100, profit 20, selling price 120. Okay, okay, Raman. Right. Right, markup. Pricing policy of the business organization is to add 20% on cost. Then cost 100, profit 20, selling price 120. Selling price 120. Okay. Then examiner asks you to calculate. Examiner asks you to calculate cost of sales and gross profit. Cost of sales and gross profit. Right, give me 1 minute. Right, now my board is clear or not? Bhatia, clear? Clear now? Not clear. Bhatia? No. You will calculate cost of sales included in the sales and gross profit included in the sale. Pricing policy of the business is 20% markup. Then here, examiner has given you sales 12,000. Sales 12,000. Then equal amount of this 12,000 is what? Now you need to create. Okay, here, pricing policy of the business organization is to add 20% on cost. Then quickly you need to create this one. Okay, now after looking at the question, quickly you need to create this one. Here, cost 100, profit 20, selling price 120. Okay, then if total sales of the business organization 12,000, now which one is the equal amount to this 12,000 from this price calculation? Now equal amount the 12,000 from this price calculation. Now here total sales 12,000. Total sales 12,000. The total sales 12,000. They have calculated total sales. Now right there. Right there. By multiplying sales quantity by selling price. They have calculated total sales by multiplying selling price. Selling price by total quantity. Then equal amount of this 12,000 is what? 120. Selling price 120. Selling price 120. Then total sales 12,000. Then divide by 120. Divide by 120. Okay, divide given amount by equal amount. Given amount is total sales, then equal amount is 120 to this 12 amount. Then if you want to calculate cost of sales, multiplied by 100. Multiplied by 100. Multiplied by 100. Okay, then how are the total cost of sales of the business organization? Total cost of sales are 10,000. Cost of sales of the business organization, then how much? 10,000. How much gross profit? Gross profit 12,000 minus 10,000, gross profit how much? 2,000. 2,000. Or 12,000 divided by 120 multiplied by 20. Okay, and then also you can calculate gross profit. Then how much gross profit? Gross profit divided by 2,000. Gross profit 2,000. Gross profit of the business organization how much? 2,000. If the business organization use margin, 20% margin, 20% margin, then cost of sales 9,600. But if they apply markup, 20% markup, 20% markup, 20% on cost, then cost of sales is how much? 10,000. Cost of sales is 10,000. If they use margin, gross profit 2,400. If they use markup, gross profit is how much? 2,000. Gross profit is 2,000. Always you need to divide given amount by equal amount. Given amount by equal amount. Okay, given amount by equal amount. And then multiplied by required amount. Right. Please write down a topic, margin markup. Margin markup. Under that, quickly write down this note. Write down a note. Margin markup. Under that one, quickly write down this note. Quickly write down this note, including this example. Including this example. Quickly write down this. I'll give you 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Quickly write down now. Quick write down. Right. Right. Another example. Let's say like this. Another example. Let's say examiner has given you cost of sales. Cost of sales 16,000. Cost of sale of a business organization 16,000. Cost of sale of the business organization as 16,000. Cost of sales. Business use 20% profit margin. 20% profit margin. They say 25% profit margin. If profit margin is 25%, 20% on selling price, selling price 100, profit 25, cost 75. Cost 75. When pricing policy of the business organization is to earn 25% on selling price. Here, examiner has given you cost of sale of the business. Cost of sale. You need to calculate sales of the business and gross profit of profit. Let's say gross profit. Now my examiner has given you total cost of sales as 16,000. Pricing policy of the business is to 25% on selling price. You need to calculate total sales. How to calculate total sales? Now my examiner has given you cost of sales. Cost of sales how much? 16,000. Cost of sales 16,000. Right. To this cost of sales, equal amount is 75, 25 or 100. Which one is the equal amount? To this 16,000. Examiner has given the cost of sale. Now, equal amount to this 16,000 is what? Equal amount 75. We apply margin. We apply margin. We apply margin, not markup. Okay. Now, pricing policy of the business result 25% on selling price. 7 has given you cost of sales. 60,000 cost of sales. You need to calculate total sales. You need to calculate total sales. Now, equal amount is cost of sales is how much? Equal amount. Yes, Sitma. Correct. Malalu equal amount is Daksharani Vatya Abhishek. Yes. Now, equal amount is 75. Divide by equal amount. No. No Vatya. No. Examiner has given cost of sale. Then from this sale price calculation, equal amount is 16,000 is 75. Cost of sale 75. Divide by equal amount. Multiplied by required amount. Required amount is if you want to calculate sales of the business, multiplied by 100. Multiplied by 100. Then you can calculate total sales of the business organization. Total sales. How much total sales? 16,000 divided by 75 multiplied by 100. Total sales are 21,333. Now we will write down it as 15,000. Now 15,000. Now this is now here cost of sales 15,000. Now cost of sales 15,000. You will calculate total sales. Cost of sales 15,000 divided by 75. 75. Divided by 75.
20,000.
Yes, multiplied by 100. How much? Yes, 20,000. Yes, correct. Correct. Okay. Sales of the business organization 20,000. Sales of the business organization 20,000. 20,000. Let's say now you will calculate cost of sales given. You will calculate profit of the business. Profit, gross profit. Then you will calculate gross profit. Gross profit. Then given amount is cost of sales. Cost of sales 15,000. Cost of sales 15,000. Now here directly we can calculate gross profit. Sales minus cost of sales 5,000. 5,000. But we will calculate using this method, this way. Now given cost of sales 15,000. Then to this 15,000 equal amount is what? 75, 25 or 100. What is the equal amount to this? Sorry. Yes. Now what is the equal amount is 15,000? Now 75. 75. Divide by 75. Now then what do you want to calculate? You want to calculate gross profit of the business. Then multiply by 25. Multiply by 20. Cost of sales equal amount is cost of sales is 75 divided by 75 and then multiplied by 25. 15,000 divided by 75 multiplied by 25 means how much? 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees. Answer is 5,000. Answer is 5,000. Okay, now my answer is 5,000. Right. And then now business organization use markup. This is 25% markup. 25% on cost. 25% on cost on cost, then cost 100. On cost on is cost cost 100. Profit 25. Selling price 125. Selling price 125. Business organization use 25% markup. 25% on cost. Then let's say given cost of sale of the business organization 15,000. Cost of sales 15,000. Cost of sales. You need to calculate total sales. Total sales. Okay. How to calculate total sales? Now, to this 115, to this 15,000, now equal amount is what? Equal amount 125 or 125. To this cost of sales equal amount. Now it is equal amount. Yes, sigma correct. Dakshavni, Abhishek, baat hai? Yes, equal amount is 50,000 is 100. Divided by equal amount. By equal amount. If you want to calculate total sales multiplied by 125. Multiplied by 125. Yes, then what's the answer? 15,000 divided by 100 multiplied by 125. 18,750 total sales. 18,750 total. 18,750 total sales. Total sales. Why? If you want to calculate gross profit of the business, gross profit, how to calculate? Now, my gross profit 15,000 cost of sales divided by 100. If you want to calculate gross profit multiplied by 25, multiplied by 25. Then my first answer. 15,000 divided by 100 multiplied by 25. 3,750. 3,750 my x of 6. Okay, right. Sigma is equal to sigma. That's all clear?
Yes, sir.
बात ये okay दा Malidu? Yes. Abhishek, okay दा Abhishek?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Right. Now, if you want to write down this example also, quick write down. Now, quick write down. Then now we will move into the tip. If you want to write down, quick write down. Now, quick write down. This example as well. Right. Look at the question number 5. Lamai, for each of these questions, you need to at first, Lamai, you need to write down this profit calculation method of the business. Right, right, Lamai. Right. Now you need to complete question number 5. 5 on Lamai. For each question, Lamai, you need to write down the price calculation at first. Depending on the pricing policy of the business organization, you need to write down at first the method of pricing price calculation of the business organization for each and every question. For each and every question. For example, Lamai, first one, question 5. Look at question 5, Lamai. Look at question 5. Look at question 5, Lamai. Question 5. For the question 5, total sales for the business 5,000. Pricing policy of the business return, gross profit of 20%. Profit 20%. Profit 20%. On sales, then sales 100, cost 80, cost 80. In the question for you will calculate first one, cost of sales. Cost of sales, Lamai, here they have given sales of the business as 5,000, sales 5,000. Sales 5,000, then to this sales 5,000 equal amount is 100, divided by 100, multiplied by, to calculate cost of sales, multiplied by 8, multiplied by 8. Multiplied by 8. Then you can calculate cost of sales of the business organization. How much cost of sales? 4,000. 4,000%. Again, here you calculate gross profit. Oh, sorry. Sales 5,000 divided by 100. multiplied by 12. Tell them how much? 1,000 rupees. Clear? बात है clear बात है. बात है clear? वाले दो.
Yes, sir.
Right, Lamai then quickly complete question number 5 to 10. Lamai question number 5 to 10. I will give you 10 minutes. Try to complete question number 5 to 7, 5 to 10, 5 to 10, Lamai. 5 to 10. Question number 5 and up to 10. Lamai quickly complete. I will give you 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Right, Lamai. Check question number 9. Lamai question number 9. Take the question number 9. Question number 9. 20% on sales. Question number 9, 20% on sales. Profit 20% on sales, then selling price 100, cost 80. Cost 80. Then gross profit of the business organization 4,000. Gross profit 4,000. You need to calculate total sales and cost of sales. You need to calculate total sales. Total sales. 4,000 gross profit. Gross profit 4,000. Then 4,000 divided by 20. Equal amount 20. Equal amount 20. Okay, gross profit 4,000. Equal amount 20 divided by 20 multiplied by 100 to calculate total sales. To calculate total sales. Here, how much is total sales? 4,000 divided by 20 multiplied by 100. 20,000. 20,000. 20,000. And then our next one is you have to calculate cost of sale of the business. Cost of sales. Cost of sales. Gross profit 4,000. Equal amount 20 multiplied by 8. Tell me how much? 4,000 divided by 20 multiplied by 80. 16,000. 16,000. Abhishek, is it correct? Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
Right. Malidu, is it correct? Malidu? Question 9 correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sorry. Sidma, correct. Question 9. Right. 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 Look at question number 10. Question number 10. Cost plus profit equal to selling price. Question number 10. 20% on cost of sales. Then cost of sales 100. Profit 20. Selling price 120. Here also, you will calculate total sales. Now I total sales. Here, gross profit of the business organization 2,000. 2,000. 2,000 divided by 20. If you want to calculate total sales, multiplied by 120. Multiplied by 120. Tell me how much? 2,000 divided by 20 multiplied by 120. 12,000. 12,000. 12,000. And then if you want to calculate cost of sales, 2,000 divided by 20. If you want to calculate cost of sales, multiplied by 100. Multiplied by 100. Multiplied by 100. Okay, then here 10,000. 10,000. Okay, right, 10,000. Right, now I quickly complete up to question 15. Complete up to question 15. Complete up to question 15 lamai.
One question more. I'll finish it now.
Right, lamai. Look at the question 15. Question 15. Lamai 15. Gross profit of the firm is 3,000. The rate of the gross profit of the firm is 30% on sales. The 30% on sales, selling price 100, profit 30, cost cost 70. Cost 70. Lamai. Gross profit of the business organization 3,000. Total sales. You need to calculate total sales. Okay, lamai. 3,000 divided by 30 multiplied by 100. Total sales. Lamai, how much? 10,000. 10,000. Cost of sales of the business organization. Cost of sales. Lamai. 3,000 divided by 30. Cost of sales multiplied by 70. 70. Then 7,000. 7,000. Okay, ne? Abhishek, okay, Abhishek?
Okay, sir.
Right, Daksharni, okay, Daksharni?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right, right. Right, Lamai, then Lamai, 10 minutes break, huh? Again, Lamai, we'll start at 9:10, ne? 9:10, sorry, 10, right, Lamai, again, we'll start at 10:20, huh? Lamai, 10 minutes break, huh? After 10 minutes, Lamai, we'll discuss question number 16, 17, and other questions, huh? Okay, 10 minutes break, huh? Lamai, 10:20, huh? Right, Lamai. Question number 16. Question number 16, can you complete question number 16? Question number 16. Now I complete question number 16. For the question number 16, you need to draw a trading account at first. Trading account. For the question number 16, a trading account. And then you're using a trading account. Last year also we discussed. Using a trading account, you need to calculate purchase for the year. Purchase. Question number 16. Purchases of the year. You need to calculate purchases of the year. Trading account. Trading account, and then here, sales of the business organization, sales. And then sales minus sales return. Sales 24,800 sales. Sales return 2,200. We're gonna allow net sale here. We're gonna here cost of sales. Opening stock 4,600. Carriage inward, and then you will calculate calculate the purchases from this question. You will calculate purchases of the business purchases, and then purchases first carriage inward. Carriage inward 2,100, and then purchase return. Purchase return minus 1,100. Closing stock of the business, how much? Closing stock. Closing stock of the business 5,800. Gross profit 8,400. These are the information given in the question. Using this question, you will calculate purchases of the business. Purchases. The right trading account. To the backward calculation, backward or forward calculation, you need to calculate the purchases of the business operation. Purchases. Okay, now here net sales minus cost of sales, gross profit. But try to do something for this one now. Net sales. That's it. Now I try to do something for this one. Have to calculate purchases of the business organization. Purchases. Now how are the purchases? Okay, right, fine. Lakshmi, how are the purchases? Maladu? Abhishek, yes. I think correct, Maladu. Abhishek, how much purchases? Bhatia? Abhishek, how much? Lama here. Right. Net sales minus cost of sales, then gross profit 8,400. Net sales minus gross profit, cost of sales, then gross profit 8,400. Okay, now here, from the sales, when you deducted cost of sales, gross profit, you can calculate gross profit. Okay, you can calculate gross profit. Now here, sales 22,600, cost of sales, and then gross profit 8,400 gross profit. And then here, 22,600 sales. Then if you transfer cost of sales to other side and transfer gross profit to this side, then this gross profit transfer to this side, then 8,400 minus 8,400 cost of sales transfer to other side. Cost of sales. Then sales minus gross profit, you can calculate gross profit of the business. How much? 22,600 minus 8,400. 14,200 cost of sales. Cost of sales 40,000. Cost of sales. Right. Now, how to calculate cost of sales? Now, how to calculate cost of sales? Now, how to calculate cost of sales? Now, opening stock plus net purchases. Opening stock plus net purchases. And then now, from this amount, you can minus closing stock to calculate cost of sales of 40,200. So that's opening stock plus net purchases. Then stock presented for the sale. You can calculate here stock presented for the sales. stock to be sold. From that amount, you can minus closing stock. Then you can calculate cost of sales. Cost of sales. From this amount, minus closing stock to calculate cost of sales 40,000. Backward calculation. Backward calculation. 14,200 plus 5,800. Then you can calculate stock percentage for the sale. 14,200 plus 5,800. Then you can calculate stock percentage for the sales. Stock percentage for the sale. How much? 14,200 plus 5,800. 20,000. Backward calculation. Backward calculation. 14,200 plus 5,800. 20,000. Backward calculation. 20,000 backward calculation. Then stock percentage for the sale 20,000. Then how to calculate 20,000? How to calculate 20,000? Opening stock plus net purchases 20,000. Opening stock plus net purchases 20,000. Opening stock plus net purchases. Then from the net purchases you can deduct 4,800 to calculate net purchases. Net purchases. Yes, Itma. Yes. Okay, 20,000 minus 4,600. Then you can calculate net purchases. 15,400 net purchases. 15,400 net purchases. Then over here 4,600 plus 15,400, 20,000. 20,000 minus closing stock, then 40,200. Here net purchases 50,400. How to calculate net purchases? Purchases plus carriage inward minus purchase return. Then again backward. 15,400 plus 1,100 minus 2,100. Then you can calculate backward calculation. 15,400 plus 1,100 minus 2,100. Now 14,400. 14,400 purchases during the period. Purchases. Total purchases of the business organization. 40,000. That is the answer. That is the answer. Abhishek, clear or not, Abhishek? Abhishek, is it clear?
Clear, clear, sir.
Clear. Bhatia, clear. Daksharni, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Say okay, right. Right. Adela, 40,400 is answer. Answer for the question of 16. Now, can you complete question of 17? Complete question of 17. Complete question of 17. And from the question of 17, you need to calculate you are required to prepare the trading account for the end of 31st December 20 and calculate trade stock. Open trade stock as at 1st January. Now, opening stock. You need to calculate opening stock. You need to calculate opening stock. Right now, complete question of 17. Complete question of 17. Question of 17. Sales of the business organization 38,600. Sales return 2,400. Purchases 24,400. Carriage inward 2,200. Purchase return 1,300. Closing stock 8,300. Gross profit 12,400. You will calculate opening stock of the business. Opening stock. Opening stock. How much opening stock Daksharni? Daksharni, which one? 16 or 17? Daksharni.
17, sir.
7, right. We'll discuss. Right. Money to how much opening stock? Money to.
6,800.
Yes. Now here, Dakshani, right now here, net sales how much? Sales minus sales return. Net sales 38,600 minus 2,400. Net sales 36,200. Net sales 36,200. Net sales. Net sales of the business how much? 36,200 net sales. Then here cost of sale how much? Net sales minus gross profit. Here cost of sales. Cost of sales. How much cost of sales? 36,200 minus 12,400. Cost of sales 23,800. Dakshani, is it clear, Dakshani?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. And then backward calculation. Here, Dakshani, here you can calculate stock presented for the sale. Opening stock plus net purchases, stock presented for the sale. Then stock presented for the sale minus 8,300 cost of sales. From this amount, you need to deduct cost closing stock to calculate cost of sales. Then backward. 23,800 plus 8,300. Here, stock present here stock presented for the sale. Dakshani, how much? 23,800 plus 8,300. How much, Dakshani?
33.
2,100. Okay, Dakshani.
Yes, sir.
And then Dakshani, right now you can calculate net purchases. Net purchases how much? 24,400 plus 2,200 minus 1,300. Net purchases 25,300. Net purchases 25,300. Net purchases. Net purchases 25,000. Then Dakshani, opening stock plus net purchases, stock presented for the sale. Then 32,100 minus 25,300. Then you can calculate opening stock. Backward. Clear, Dakshani? Clear.
Clear, sir.
Right. 32,100 minus 25,300. 6,800 opening stock. Opening stock. That's the answer. Okay, then? Clear, Dakshani? Clear? Abhishek, clear, Abhishek?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, right. Right now, quickly complete question number 18 and send me the answers. Give me the answer. Here also you will calculate total purchases of the business. Total purchases. In this question, it has given the rate of the gross profit of the firm is 20% on cost of sales. Question number 18. You need to apply the previous knowledge now. The previous knowledge you need to apply now. By applying markup margin, you need to calculate cost of sales or gross profit. Right, am I? Complete question number 18. Question number 18.
sales calculate කරද්දී අර equation එකට දාන්නේ මේ total sales එක නැත්නම් sales එකෙන් sales return මේ deduct කළා.
Oh, again, net sale net sale. Net sales. Okay, that's it, man. Another.
Okay, sir.
That's net sales, huh? Question 18. Sales 20,400. Sales return 2,400. Sales return. Opening stock 6,200. Carriage inward 3,800. Purchase return 1,600. Closing stock 8,300. Purchases, you will calculate purchases, right? Gross profit rate is 20% on cost of sales. Gross profit is 20% on cost of sales. Cost plus profit equal to selling price. 20% on cost of sales, then cost of sales 100, profit 20, selling price 120. Now you can calculate cost of sale of the business. Cost of sales. Cost of sales calculate based on the net sales. 20,400 minus 2,400. Net sales how much? 18,000. How much? 18,000. Okay, 18,000. For the 18,000, you calculate cost of sales of the business. Okay, now here you calculate cost of sale of the business organization for the net sales and net sales. Net sales. Right. How are the purchases? How are the purchases? Clear illustration. Net sales 18,000. 18,000 divided by 120. Multiplied by cost of sales 100. Multiplied by 100 to calculate cost of sales. 18,000 divided by 120 to 100. 15,000 cost of sales. We'll have 15,000 cost of sales. Okay. If cost of sales 15,000, cost of it how much? 3,000. Again, backward calculation. 15,000 plus 8,300, 23,300. And then 23,300 minus opening stock. You can calculate net purchases. 17,100. 17,100. Again backward. Again backward. 17,100 plus 1,600 minus 3,800. How much? 14,900. Purchases 14,900. How much purchases? Answer is 14,900. Right. Answer is already right. Daksharani, be Daksharani?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Malidu clear, Malidu. Abhishek, okay there? Abhishek? Right, now, can you go to question number 19? Complete question number 19. Now, question number 19, na? Complete question number 19. Pricing policy of the business is what? Pricing policy of the business is what? 30% gross profit on cost of sales. 30% gross profit on cost of sales. Pricing policy of the business. Pricing policy. Ah. 30% gross profit on cost of sales. Opening stock, Dakshani 40,300. Right, we'll calculate, huh? I can remember. 40,300. Yes, Sigma. Sigma 9,000, right? What are others? I got two answers. So 11, 19 going to discuss 19, no? 19. Now here in this business organization, net sales, how much net sales? Net sales 86,400 minus 8,400. Net sales 78,000. Net sales of the business organization 78,000. Net sales. Net sales. Okay, net sales of the business organization are by 78,000 net sales. Then, how to calculate cost of sales? Here you need to calculate cost of sales. Okay, question 19 asks you to calculate opening stock. To calculate opening stock, at first you need to calculate here cost of sales. Here I pricing pressure of the business is what? Pricing pressure of the business is 30% on cost of sales. Then my cost of sales 100. Profit 30%. Selling price how much? 130. 130. Yes, yes. Then I 17,000 divided by 130 multiplied by 100 to calculate cost of sales. How much cost of sales? How much cost of sales? 17,000 divided by 130 into 100. How much? 60,000 cost of sale. Cost of sale 60,000. Here 70,000. Okay. 30% gross profit on cost of sale. Yes. 60,000. Then my backward calculation. 60,000 plus 40,200, 74,300. 74,300. And then here net purchase of how much? 54,200 plus 10,600 minus 4,600. Net purchases 60,002. Net purchase. Again backward calculation. 74,300 minus 60,200 opening stock. 74,300 minus 6,200 opening stock. 40,100. 40,100. Opening stock of the business organization, how much? 40,100. 40,100. I think Daksharni closing stock, how much? Closing stock. Closing stock 40,300. All right. Right now, Daksharni, you have done some small mistake. 60,000 plus 40,300, 74,300. You have recorded it as 74,500. Okay, Daksharni.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right now, stock percentage for the sale, your balance should be 74,300.
Yeah.
You have recorded it as 500.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Small mistake. Abhishek, clear, Abhishek?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So for
See-
first term, up to which subjects? For first term examination, up to which subjects it will come?
Abhishek, you want to. Okay.
So no, sir, it's based on this. For first term exam, how many subjects it will come? Up to suspense or bank reconciliation?
That is depending on the school.
Okay, sir.
Most of the time, first term test papers prepared by the school. Therefore, that is depend on the school.
Okay, sir.
In my physical classes now, still now I'm discussing partnership accounting. Partnership accounting. Okay, grade 12 last chapter, partnership. And after completing partnership, I am going to discuss with them control accounts and correction of errors. Control accounts and correction of errors, chapter 4, part 3 and 4. But some of the schools in Colombo area, still they discuss sole proprietorship accounting. Sole proprietorship accounting. Sole proprietorship accounting. Some of the schools, huh? Then now the schools. This is still discussing sole proprietorship accounting. Some school discuss non-profit organization partnership. Okay. In Wattala, okay. Now they are they have transferred to pay 30 cities. Now discussing economic standards. But they have skipped non-profit organization accounting and income records. They have skipped those two lessons. Okay, and transferred to grade 13. Grade 13 accounting standards. Right. Okay, clear, right? Opening stock 14,100. Sigma clear, Sigma.
Clear, sir.
Okay, right. Bhatia clear. Malidu Abhishek clear. Malidu.
Yes.
Okay, right, right. Right, Lamai, question number 20 and 21 homework. Next day we'll discuss question number 20 and 21. Please complete at home 20 and 21. Okay, with 20 and 21, we will revise our knowledge next week. And then we will go to solve a bunch of final questions. Okay, now after completing questions available in this first unit, we are going to discuss adjustments related to solve a bunch of accounting. Okay, now let's continue. Huh?
Sir, in the trading account, cost of sales 60,200. No?
Cost of sale. No, 60,000 is cost of sale.
Purchase plus carriage invoice minus purchase returns.
Ah, yes. All right, then. 60,200. Yes. Okay, then. Okay, then.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Right, Lamai, we'll discuss a few sole proprietorship questions from this tute, and then we will move into second tute. I will send you the second tute as well. Then you need to get the print out. In the second tute, I have included adjustments. So many adjustments are there in the second tute. Okay. Right. Once complete the second tute, okay, quickly we can move into other lessons. Other lessons means manufacturing accounting, income records, and then my non-profit organization partnership. Then we can speed up the class. Okay, right. But we need to spend some time with solve second tube. Okay, with that tube, I can give you a base number. Okay, okay. I can give you a clear understanding regarding solve. Without solve accounting knowledge, you can't provide answers for the company account, especially for the company accounting and then partnership and other lessons as well. Therefore, okay, step by step in detail, we will discuss solve account. Then it is easy to understand company accounts and other lessons. Okay. Right, now, enough for the day. Complete question number 20 and 21 at home. Okay, right. Right, now you will stop for the day. Right, right. Now have a nice day.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.